This old Ford caught my eye. Thought I might stop and have a look at it. We're just outside of Tom Bean, Texas. Checking out this F600. She's been for sale for a while. First time I stopped and looked at it. It's a beautiful day. Thought we might just see what's going on. Don't see many commercial Fords of this era. Let's see if she's open. All right. Let's have a look in here. Ah! Here's the info if anybody's interested. She's done some work, been around the block. No doubt about it. A little seat. Better shape inside than I thought it would be. The door fits good in it. Good looking old truck. Might be your dream machine. What year is she? 66. And that's a solid old truck. I don't know if it's got any rust on it. I didn't notice any on the cab, just looking around. Look at old mirrors. Like the tags just ran out on it. And that thing's got some character. I hope somebody saves it. Looks like you can take it somewhere. That old bed's cool too. I don't know what that was used for. Lumber, maybe? I'm not sure. What do y'all think? Big ass rear end. I'm sure she's got a granny gear transmission. Some low gears in the back. Y'all might like to look at it. Appreciate y'all watching Sam Space 81. Just chilling out here in Tom Bean. Little tractor back there. Just another day in the bush. Thanks for watching, everybody.